Episode 341, Retrocausality and Delayed Choice Experiments. Why cause and effect are not strictly linear. Some experiments suggest the future affects the past. That sounds impossible, but what's actually happening is misunderstood. The common misinterpretation. Retrocausality is often described as signals traveling backwards in time, future events rewriting history, violations of causality. None of that is required. What delayed choice experiments actually show? In delayed choice experiments, the measurement setup is chosen after a particle has entered the system. Yet the outcome appears consistent with the later choice. This seems like the future caused the past. The real explanation. The system never committed early. There was no fixed past state to be changed. The outcome was unresolved until constraints finalized. Causality requires resolution. Cause and effect apply only to resolved states. Before resolution, there is no definite history. Only compatible possibilities. Retrocausality reframed. Retrocausality is not backward influence, it is late constraint resolution. The system waits until all relevant constraints are known. Why this feels counterintuitive? Humans assume events happen once in order. Quantum systems operate on deferred commitment. That mismatch creates confusion. Time revisited. Time tracks informational updates. If an update hasn't occurred, there is no earlier state to change. So nothing travels backwards. Why no paradox occurs? You can't send information to the past. You can't change recorded outcomes. Only unresolved histories remain flexible. Causality as a local rule. Causality is a rule for stable classical systems. It does not govern pre-resolved quantum states. Why physics accepts this quietly? Equations allow it, experiments confirm it, but language lags behind understanding. Why this matters? It shows reality is not chaotic, not paradoxical, not mystical. It is conditional and precise. Key insight. The future doesn't change the past. The past wasn't fixed yet. Practical clarity. When outcomes depend on later contexts, it's because resolution was deferred. Nothing is violated. Reality doesn't run backwards. It waits to decide. Next, we will explore the measurement cut. Where and how reality actually commits to an outcome. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively step by step from there. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.